Hello friends, welcome back to my YouTube channel with a new video. So in this video I am going to show you how to turn on 2FA on Google account. So let's start the video. First of all, subscribe the channel and like the video and share the video. Also comment below if you like this video. So let's start the video. You have to go to your Gmail accounts. From here there's a lot of Gmail account. You have to select an account that you wanted to turn on to FA or verified authentication. So you have to go on that account. After selecting that account, you can see there's a lot of options appear. All your Google account settings appear here. So here you have to search on all the options that you want and your 2FA is turn on. Now you have to go to security from the top bar. After going to security, here you can see two-step verification. This is the 2FA means, like two-step verification is the double security to your account. No one hacks your account. Now you have to press on two-step verification security. After pressing on that, you can see there's a lot of options appear. Now it's taking time because the internet connection is low. Hope so you don't mind. Now you have to select the password, like enter the password of your Gmail account. After entering the password, if you are authorized, now what's new, there's new options appear on the screen. As you seen, it's loading. Here two-step verification to FA appears. Now you have to add a phone number or turn two-step verification on. You have to enter your phone number and your two-step verification will be on right now. So here you can see add a phone number for two-step verification. There's a flag and then you have to enter your mobile number. You have, first of all, you have to select a flag from which country you are appear, like from which country you are belong to. So here there's all the flags in the world. You have to select any flag of your country. After that your verification will be turned off. So this is the video. Thank you so much for watching the video and please like the video and subscribe the channel.